Sharon Danley here with 2-minute tips for healthy beauty and confident aging. This week it's about turning this flat head into something soft and lifted. Okay, I'm blow drying my hair. It already was blow dried a little bit, but I just wanted to show you how I did blow dry it. I don't hold it down on any one spot for any too long. This way it avoids any buildup of yellow that might occur. And because my hair is wavy, when I blow it dry, it's kind of full, as if I used an iron for it. So I turn my head upside down, finish blow drying it that way. Then I just comb it through with my lovely Jean Pierre brush that I just adore. And here's the rollers I use. These are the sponge rollers, different sizes for whatever. The clips in the middle for when my hair's curly. And then I have 3 different kinds of spritz. One is for setting gel, one is water, and one is the curl keeper. And those are my Velcro rollers. And I only need 3 for that style that you've seen me wear often, where it's just down and a side wave. So I just comb the hair all up. Now, even though it's blow dry, I'm still going to spritz a little bit of water into it because I find that the hair curls when it's been slightly dampened. And the front roller, I just roll forward. And with these particular rollers, the Velcro rollers that is, the little kind of teeth on them, they grab the cuticles and smooth the cuticles down. So they really help to smooth the hair beautifully. And so this is the second roller I put on the top, and I comb everything up so make sure nothing's sitting flat on my head. And then I spritz with a little bit of water and then comb it up, oops, outside of camera there. Take my second roller, the little bit larger one, and I twist it around just to make sure all the ends are in. Wrap that roller around, right down, and then I use a roller pin to put it in. And you've heard me talk of those before. They're longer, they're thicker, and they hold much, much better to hold it in place. And then I place the third roller, spritzed with water slightly, in the bottom and secure it with a roller pin as well. And that's all that I need to get that particular look. And of course, out comes the extensions. They just make life so much easier. And back combing is part of the deal too. To end up with looks that make me feel good, that help my presentation, whether my hair is straight and down or whether I have it in classic updos. Simple, easy, timeless, and oh so chic. See you next time.